Have you ever wondered what to do with butternut squash ravioli? This recipe for butternut squash ravioli with zucchini uses Trader Joe's ravioli to make a delicious pasta night dinner. In my video, you'll learn how to saute the zucchini and how to make a simple butter sauce to bring the whole dish together. So hey, it's Jenna here from Sip Bake Go. Join me in the kitchen to make this Trader Joe's butternut squash ravioli recipe with zucchini. To make it, you need some butternut squash raviolis. Trader Joe's brand is what I used. You need some salt, olive oil, zucchini that's sliced in half and diced to half moons, some shallots, and some salted butter. You can decide if you're going to cook the pasta and the zucchini at the same time, or if you want to cook one after another. First, you need to boil the raviolis, so heat a large pot of water on the stove to high heat, and then add the salt and bring the water to a boil. Then you add the Trader Joe's butternut squash ravioli pasta to the boiling water and cook it on the stove as directed in the package to al dente. And it really only takes about 4 minutes when cooking ravioli from frozen, but it only takes 3 if cooking from fresh. Then you pan fry the zucchini and shallots. So set a medium or large size pan on the stove to medium-high heat. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, zucchini, and shallots. You cook this for about 5 minutes. Make sure to stir occasionally until the zucchini softens and starts to brown. When the vegetables begin sticking to the pan, add a tablespoon of salted butter, and then you just want to stir that regularly for about a minute until the butter melts. Turn the heat off the burner, or you can just set it on low if you're ready to add the boiled pasta now, or turn it off until you're ready with the pasta if you're cooking them at separate times. Make the butter sauce. When the pasta is drained, add a tablespoon olive oil and 2 tablespoons butter to the pan with the fried zucchini and shallots. Turn the heat to medium-low and cook together until the butter has melted, stirring constantly. It'll only take about a minute for the ravioli, zucchini, and butter sauce to mingle. Then you just turn off the heat once the butter is melted and add some fresh chopped parsley and fresh Parmesan cheese. Serve it immediately. Hey home chefs, have you ever tried a chicken wonton stir fry? I had this crazy idea to make it in my kitchen. I used Trader Joe's chicken cilantro mini wontons, and I added them to my regular vegetable stir fry recipe. So you're going to learn how to take frozen wontons and turn them into a delicious wonton stir fry recipe like I am in this video. I can't wait to take you in the kitchen and show you how to make it. Grab the printable directions to make this wonton stir fry with Trader Joe's ingredients at sipbitego.com or on the Sip Bake Go YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the Sip Bake Go channel on YouTube. I have so many delicious recipes coming your way, tons of them featuring Trader Joe's ingredients. I can't wait to teach you how to take these ingredients and make them delicious restaurant-style meals at home. Join me! See my recipe notes at Sip Bake Go for how to make this recipe even faster. Well, until next time, check out one of my other Sip Bake Go recipe videos, and I hope you have a wonderful and delicious day. Cheers!